Welcome to At Home Science, How to Make Oobleck. Oobleck, also known as C27H48O20 plus H2O, is a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning it is a liquid that can behave like a solid, thus not following Newton's law of viscosity. Newton's law of viscosity states that the shear stress equals the viscosity of a fluid times the shear rate divided by the rate of strain or velocity gradient, an equation that shows that the stress of a fluid layer is the same as the rate of shear strain.